Namaskaram, good afternoon, welcome to our Mana TV live class on mathematical teaching and content area. You know that we have two papers, the students who are going to write a PGT examination for Gurukula Udyoga. We have two papers, part 1 and part 2 or paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 you learned about the mathematical teaching pedagogy, of course the physical science of pedagogy also like. So, it is about mathematics, so mathematical teaching pedagogy. So, the second one is content. You know that mathematics has 5 areas. The first one is arithmetics or number theory, and the second one is algebra, third one is geometry, and the fourth one is mensuration, and the fifth one is data interpretation. There are some other areas also there. So, now we are going to discuss about the second part, that is algebra. Okay. So, you know that algebra is a very important, and if you say mathematics it is nothing but an algebra. So, what is an algebra? That is a basic important. So, we start with the constants, then we are moving to the variables. The algebraic sum of constant and variance is called algebraic expression, and if the algebraic expression has a particular property, means the variable cannot have any negative power or a rational power, and when it has only the integer power, such algebraic expressions are said to be polynomials. Okay. Then you are going to learn about pair of linear equations, quadratic equations, okay, system of equations, symmetrical equations, all these comes under the polynomial and algebra chapter. So, we are going to discuss about in a different strategy, means I am not going to teach what are the degree of a polynomial, how we are going to discuss, it is not a theoretical class. I am using a new system, that is from problem to concept, that is most important. Okay. So, I will give a simple example. So, in generally they will ask in the examination x to the power of 2017 is divided by x square minus 1, find the remainder. This is the question. If x to the power of 2017 is divided by x square minus 1, find the remainder. Okay. So, 99% of the people will do this question as either 1 or 0. The reason is, in the textbook we gave the information that take p of x is a polynomial, okay, when it is divided by x minus 1. So, the remainder is simply is 1, p of 1, or x plus 1, the remainder is p of minus 1, correct. So, they will x square minus 1, what is x square minus 1 is x plus 1 of x minus 1. So, simply they will take, they will substitute 1, they will get 0. So, p of 1 equal to 0. So, the remainder is 0, the most of the people will say this, but you are a teacher, you are going to be a teacher. So, just use your consciousness, that is a very important. That law, that statement is meant for only for monomial, a linear polynomial. When p of x is divided by x minus 1, p of 1 is the remainder, or when p of x has the one of the factor as x minus 1, then p of 1 equal to 0. You learn it. It is meant for only linear polynomial, not for quadratic polynomial. But what is the given in data here? X square minus 1, x square minus 1 is a quadratic polynomial. This is the most important. Clear? So, now the already what you learned is not applicable for getting answer for it. Then you have to take some more, a little bit of advanced. You learned some 3 basic identities, that is, one is when x power n minus y power n is divided by x minus y, or x minus y divides x power n minus y power n when for all n belongs to n. If you have any doubt, take an example, x power 1 minus y power 1, which is divisible by x minus y, correct. X square minus y square is also divisible by x minus y. The reason is x square minus y square. What are the factors? X minus y and x plus y. So, x minus y is one of factor. When you take x cube minus y cube, what are the factors for x cube minus y cube? X minus y of x square plus xy plus y square, correct? There you have x minus y. Even if you take x power 4 minus y power 4, x minus y of x plus y of x square plus y square. So, whatever it may be the n value where n is a natural number, then x power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y. Now, you have one more. X power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y if n is odd. You know that. So, for example, if you consider n is 1, x power n plus y power 1 is divisible by x plus y, am I correct? Okay. X cube plus y cube is divisible by x plus y, because the factors of x cube plus y cube is x plus y of x square minus xy plus y square is correct. And x power n minus y power n is divisible by x plus y also when if n is even. Clear? So, x power n minus y power n is divisible by x y. If you have any doubt, take n equal to 2, 2 is an even number, x square minus y square. What are its factors? X plus y and x minus y. X plus y is there. When you consider x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4, the factors of x power 4 minus y power 4 is x square minus y square and x square plus y square. Again, x square minus y square can be resolved into factors as x plus y of x minus y. There you have x plus y. Is it clear? But x power n plus y power n is never divisible by x minus y for all n belongs to n. So, x power n plus y power n cannot divisible by x minus y. These are the basic fundamentals for the divisibilities of polynomials in algebra. So, once you have the knowledge about these divisibility laws, you can get the answer just within 1-2 steps. That is a very important. Is it clear? Okay, now I am adopting the first law. X minus y is divides x power n minus y power n. Is it clear? Now, x to the power minus 1 is the divisor and x to the power of 2017 is the dividend. So, now I am taking x to the power of 2017. When x to the power of 2000, I want to make it into x power n minus y power n form. Means x to the power of 2017, I am going to subtract x, I am adding x. X to the power of 2017 minus x plus x. Okay. Now, I am writing this x to the power of 2017 minus x, taking x as a common. Then you have x to the power of 2016 minus 1 plus x. Now, I am writing this x to the power of 2016 as x square whole to the power of 1008 and 1 power 1008 plus x. Now, take x square as x, 1 as y, 1008 as n, then it is in the form of x power n minus y power n. So, it is very clear this number is in the form of x power n minus y power n. When it is in the form of x power n minus y power n, it is divisible by x minus y. What is our assumptions? X is x square and y is 1, means x minus y here x square minus 1, means this is divisible by x square minus 1. Just recall the division algorithm. Here simply x to the power of 2017 can be written as x of x square whole power 1008 minus 1 power. Now, you know that the formula is what is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, correct? Now, I am taking the same, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then what is the remainder here? X. So, x is the remainder. Okay, the beauty of this problem is take any power which is an odd number, answer is same. Are you understand my sentences which I just said? not only x to the power of 2017, because 2017 is a odd number. Instead of x to the power of 2017, if you say x to the power of 99 is an odd number. When it is divided by x square minus 1, leaves the remainder x. Even x to the power of 101 or x to the power of 2015 or x to the power of 1003, whatever it may be, when it is more than 2, any odd number which is in the form of x to the power of that is divided by x square minus 1, leaves the remainder x. That is the beauty of this question. Are you understand that? So, they will ask this kind of questions, means here they will ask a good application knowledge. So, you can't find this question anywhere in the textbooks. It is based on completely on the concept. So, once you know the concept, then you can get the answer in a very easiest way. Okay. Now, coming to the next one. So, go for the next, that is again based on the polynomial chapter only. Okay. So, you know that when p of x is a polynomial, when it is divided by x minus 1, it leaves the remainder p of 1. Or an x minus 1 is the factor, then you can say the p of 1 equal to 0. Is it clear? Now, based on that, all of you have pen and paper with you, then just write it. The question is, if p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and p of 1 equal to p of 2 equal to p of 3 equal to 0, then find the value of p of 4 plus p of 0. This is the question. If p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and p of 1 equal to p of 2 equal to p of 3 equal to 0, then find the value of p of 4 plus p of 0. Okay. So, you are writing, mostly all of you know this answer. Procedure, maybe you know that maximum 80% of the people, what they are going to do, they will p of 1 equal to 0 means simply they will do that, they will substitute x equal to 1, they will get an equation in terms of a, b, c, d, they will substitute x equal to 2, again they will get an equation in terms of a, b, c, d, they will substitute x equal to 3, again they will get an equation in terms of a, b, c, d, means you have getting 3 equations in terms of a, b, c, d. Now, we are going to find p of 4. So, again substitute x equal to 4, you will get one more, and substitute x equal to 0, you will get p of 0, means you are going to find 5 equations in terms of a, b, c, d. So, solving 5 equations nearly 20 times, you will get the values of a, b, c, d. Finally, you will get a p of 4 plus p of 0. For this, in my knowledge, it takes at least 15 to 20 minutes to get the answer. Means if you spend for one problem nearly 15 to 20 minutes, is it possible to complete the rest of the questions in the examination? It is quite impossible. Then why this question will be given in the examination? Maybe this question may not come. Am I correct? No. You will get the answer in only 2 steps. That is the difference between a preparation of academic examination and a competitive examination. So, here I am just using the just a concept, then you will get answer within 2 steps. See it very carefully. So, p of x equal to x to the power of 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, this is a given polynomial, am I correct? Okay. And p of 1 equal to p of 2 equal to p of 3 equal to 0, it is given information. What is meant by p of 1 equal to 0? Yeah, p of 1 equal to 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. Good. What is p of 2 equal to 0? X minus 2 is the factor for p of x. Good. What is p of 3 equal to 0? X minus 3 is a factor of p of x. So, p of 1 equal to p of 2 equal to p of 3 equal to 0 means x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of p of x. So, what is the product of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3? It gives a cubic polynomial. Good. So, P of x equal to x to the power 4 plus ax, what is the degree of this polynomial? Is a 4th degree polynomial, correct. So, when you factorize it up, you will get cubic polynomial, means other polynomial will be linear polynomial because its degree is 1. Already cubic polynomial has a degree 3. So, now you can write it as P of x as x minus 1 because P of 1 equal to 0, of x minus 2 because P of 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 because P of 3 equal to 0, and other one should be x minus k. This is a very important reasoning for getting the answer. Once you get this step, the rest is the answer. So, are you understand? P of x equal to x minus 1 of x minus 2 of x minus 3 of x minus k. X minus 1 is the factor, the reason is P of 1 equal to 0. X minus 2 is the factor, the reason is P of 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 is the factor, the reason is P of 3 equal to 0. So, up to this no problem. So, but the product gives a cubic polynomial of degree 3 and the given one is a 4th degree polynomial. So, the other factor should be a linear polynomial. And why you are considered x minus k? What is the general formula for linear polynomial? Ax plus b. But why you consider as x minus k? The reason is the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1, means so the coefficient of this cubic polynomial is 1. So, other one should be in the form of x minus k, that is the reason I has written as x minus k. Okay, now come to the answer. What is required? P of 4 plus P of 0. So, first we substitute x equal to 4 in this, okay, in this one 4 minus 1 of 4 minus 2 of 4 minus 3 of 4 minus k. What is 4 minus 1? 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 of 4 minus k is 24 minus 6 k. Okay, next P of 0. 0 minus 1 of 0 minus 2 of 0 minus 3 of 0 minus k. What is 0 minus 1? Minus 1 of minus 2 of minus 3 of minus k. You multiply the negative sign 4 times, it becomes positive. 1 of 2 of 3 of k, 6 k. What is required? P of 4 plus P of 0, that is 24 minus 6 k plus 6 k. 6 k, 6 k get cancelled, answer is 24, that is it. See, this is the first step and this is the second step, finally you got the answer. That is the beauty of the mathematics. So, if you are able to teach in this manner, definitely every children will do the mathematics in a very simplest way. But if you say lengthy processes, number of steps, so I did 25 steps, I did 30 steps, so definitely the children will frighten about the learning of mathematics. So, is it clear? Okay. Now, instantly I am going to prepare one more question to know the beauty of the algebra. That is okay. Is it over? Now, I am going to the next one. Okay, this year 2017, now I am going to construct a problem and base it on 2017. Just 2017 square minus 2017 minus 6. Next 2017 square plus 4034 minus 3. 2018 whole by 2014 into 2019 into 2020 into 2016. Find the value. This is the question. You can't find the same question anywhere in the textbook or any book. Clear? Okay. Here only just I am using a concept based on this algebra, I constructed this question. Okay. How to do it? Okay. So, are you going to calculate 2017 square value and finding substituting those values, multiplying the numerator and multiplying the denominator, dividing with, is it possible? Not possible, very big number. Then how you are going to do it, correct? So, you have to think, you just in one step you will get answer, sure, only one step. Okay. So, we can say proudly, as an Indian I can say very proudly, the X was introduced by our Indian mathematicians. The total algebra based on this assumption, am I correct? So, we can say, so if when you are going to use X, there are two consequences. The first one is, if you does not know some of the quantities, some of the observations, generally we will say it is an X. For example, in a right angle triangle, the length is 3 units more than its breadth and its area is 48 square units, then find the area of that. Then what your assumption, you will say breadth is x, the length is x plus 3, area is x plus 3 of x is equal to 48, like you are going to do. So, already we gave excellent questions in the textbook and you practiced in your regular practices also. So, nothing difficult. We will use an x in another consequence also, that is, if all are known, you want to express each and every one in terms of one value, there also we will use x. Now, I am going to use the second case. So, here when you observe this question, it is 2017 square minus 2017 minus 6 of 2017 square plus 4034, 2018, 2014, 2019, 2020, 2016. Each and every value can be expressed in terms of 2017. Am I correct or not? Check it. 2017 square means square of the 2017. 2017 itself 2017. Okay, here square. What is 4035? Twice of 2017. 2018 one more. 2014 3 less. 2019 2 more. 2020 3 more. 2016 1 less. So, you can express each and every value of this given expression in terms of 2017. So, for that reason I will say let 2017 as x. Now, observe this, this will be x square, correct? This is x and this is 6. So, the first one becomes as x square minus x minus 6. The second one x square, what is 4034? 2x minus 3, and 2018 x plus 1, 2014 3 less x minus 3, 2019 2 more x plus 2, 2020 3 more x plus 3, 2016 1 less x minus 1. So, now just observe it. So, the total value converted in terms of x means is nothing but, now everyone can identify this question from algebra, from the concept of polynomials, am I correct? It is a quadratic polynomial. So, then what, how to do it? Just factorize it. You have x square minus x minus 6, correct? Means you can divide it 3 2's. So, here x coefficient is minus and 6 of course, coefficient you can say as minus, its sign is minus. So, the bigger one will get minus and the smaller one will get plus. So, you can write it as x square minus x minus 6 as x minus 3 of x plus 2. Is it clear? Okay. Now, x square plus 2x plus 3 minus 3 is minus 3 can be written as 3 1's. Okay, 1 will get a minus. So, here x coefficient plus 2. So, it will get plus, 3 will get plus and 1 will get minus. Then how to write it? It is, you can write it as x plus 3 of x minus 1. So, here you have x plus 1. Now, this is x minus 3 and this one is x plus 2 and this is x plus 3 and this one is x minus 1. Now, verify the numerator and denominator. X minus 3 get cancelled, x plus 2 get cancelled, x plus 3 get cancelled, x minus 1 get cancelled. The finally you have the term is x plus 1, of course 2017 plus 1 which is 2018, that is the answer. Clear? So, If you want to do in a mathematical sense, then only you will get the answer. So, practically so by practicing. So, do not expect the questions will come directly from your textbooks, do not by heart that, just use the concept, but it is not beyond your the standard of the 10th or first year intermediate. So, they will be in the standard of 10th class only, but application is a little bit of different. Is it clear? So, for initially you feel that the question is very difficult, but after knowing the answer, a solution you feel very happy. That is a beauty of this problem. Is it clear? Okay. Shall we meet for one more problem in the algebra? Okay. So, we will observe the means why I am saying this. So, here application is the most important, the reasoning will take place maximum place. So, the simple question is x plus y plus z plus t is equal to 1. Second, x plus 3y plus 9z plus 27t is equal to 81. X plus 4y plus 16z plus 64t equal to 256. X plus 167y plus 167z plus 167 cube t equal to 167 to the power of 4. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. This is the question. If x plus y plus z plus t is equal to 1, x plus 3y plus 9z plus 27t equal to 81, x plus 4y plus 16z plus 64t equal to 256, x plus 167y plus 167z plus 167 cube t equal to 167 to the power of 4, then find the value of x. This is the question. Okay. The question is lengthy, big, correct? So, mostly you are expecting so many steps will come, only one step answer. Okay, then how to do it? Only one step means most of you feel that okay, I will substitute x equal to 1 or substitute x equal to 2, is it? It is not the way. This is a very good question. Observing the pattern of the question. Are you identify any pattern in this question? Yeah, maybe you identified. So, from first equation it is difficult to say, but I am taking from last equation. X plus 167y plus 167z plus 167 cube t and 167 to the power of 4. Now, I am writing the first equation as the last equation as, here I am writing x 167y as it is, I am not changing, 167 square z 167 cube t equal to 167 to the power of 4. Now, I am going to change this equation of third from top and first from bottom. X 4y, okay. What is 16? 4 square. What is 64? 4 cube. What is 256? 4 to the power of 4. So, you can write this equation as x plus 4y plus 4 square z plus 4 cube t is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Is it very similar to this equation or not? Very similar. Okay, now coming to the second. X plus 3y plus 3 square z, because 3 square is 9, 3 cube t is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, now coming to the next one. The first one, x plus 1y plus 1 square z plus 1 cube t equal to 1 to the power of 4. So, if you are able to write all these equations in this format, the question is over. Because see, the first equation x plus 167y plus 167 square z plus 167 cube t equal to 167 to the power of 4. Clear? Second, x plus 4y plus 4 square z plus 4 cube t equal to 4 to the power of 4. X plus 3y plus 3 square z plus 3 cube t plus is equal to 3 to the power of 4. X plus 1y plus 1 square z plus 1 cube t equal to 1 to the power. All are in the same pattern. Now, you can write a generalized equation. I will write the generalized equation on the top, just then for comparison this is, it is x here 1 3 4 167 means here just I will write it as lambda y 1 square 3 square 4 square 167 square, sir, we can write as lambda square z. Next 1 cube 2 3 cube 4 cube 167 cube, I can write it as lambda cube z is equal to 1 power 4 3 power 4 4 power 4 167 to the power of is lambda to the power of 4. Is it clear? So, the total 4 equations will be generalized as x plus lambda y plus lambda square z plus lambda cube t it is, and lambda to the power of 4. Okay, when you substitute in place of lambda 1 means x plus 1 y plus 1 square z plus 1 cube t is equal to 1 to the power of 4. You will get the first equation. When you substitute lambda equal to 3, that is x plus 3 y plus 3 square z plus 3 cube t equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay. When you substitute lambda equal to 4, you will get x plus 4 y plus 4 square z plus 4 cube t equal to 4 to the power of 4. When you substitute 167 in place of lambda, x plus 167 y plus 167 square z plus 167 cube t equal to 167 to the power of 4. Correct? Means when you substitute one value, you will get the another equation. So, what you understand? What is meant by a root of an equation? What is meant by root of an equation? The value which satisfies a given equation is called root of an equation. Correct? So, when you substitute lambda equal to 1, you will get the first equation. What is meant by this statement? So, 1 is the root of this equation. So, 3 satisfies the equation. What does it mean? 3 is the root of equation. 4 satisfies this equation. What does it mean? 4 is the root of equation. 167 satisfies this equation. What does it mean? 167 is the root of this equation. Am I correct? So, now we can say 1, 3, 4, 167 are roots. Clear? 1, 3, 4, 167 are the roots of this equation. Okay. Now, I am writing this equation in order means in a degree wise, means lambda to the power of 4 minus lambda cube t minus lambda square z minus lambda y plus x is equal to 0. Means it is in the form of x to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. In the textbooks already you learned the concepts. In the textbook you gave the information is, so when you consider ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it is called as a quadratic equation. It has 2 roots. For example, if we say it is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. The product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a constant by x square coefficient. Okay. For third degree, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots, then what is the relation between this? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. Okay. Now, I am going to extend this. If it is a 4th degree equation, means ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Means here there are 4 roots, say alpha, beta, gamma, delta. I will write in a simplest form sigma alpha. What is meant by sigma alpha? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is minus b by a. Next, alpha beta, sigma alpha beta. What is meant by sigma alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta plus delta alpha is c by a. and the last next one is alpha, beta, gamma, three letters, minus d by a, and product alpha, beta, gamma, delta, E by a. Is it clear? So, see, if you want to know the answer, you have to know all this information, then only you are going to get answer, otherwise it is a very difficult. So, I am saying the first one is a quadratic equation which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, it has two roots, say alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Okay, coming to the next one, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Say if the roots are alpha, beta, gamma, then what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus b by a. What is alpha, beta, gamma? Minus d by a. And what is alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma alpha? C by a. In the same pattern, when you consider ax to the 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, then sigma alpha is minus b by a. Sigma alpha beta means alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma delta, delta alpha, like c by a. And sigma alpha beta gamma delta alpha, like is minus d by a, and alpha beta gamma delta is e by a. Clear? Now I am using this concept to explain the answer for it. So, in terms of this equation, what is x here? What is x here? Constant. So, if you want to know the constant, which among these four, which one you are going to adopt it? Yeah, it is a product. When you consider product, the product of the roots of an equation is nothing but the constant by highest degree coefficient. So, I am considering the fourth degree. So, we have 4 roots 1, 3, 4, 167. The product of the roots is equal to, what is the product of the roots? So, when you consider the product of the roots, that is 1, 3, 4, 167 is equal to, the product of the roots equal to constant minus x by alpha to the power of 4 coefficient 1. Okay, 167 12s is equal to minus 12 7s 84, 12 6s 72, 72 plus 8 80, 12 1s 12, 12 plus 8 20, means x is equal to minus 2004. That is the answer. Clear? See, if you want to do this question, you should know all the information, then only it is possible to get the answer. So, definitely the same kind of questions will come in the examination. You have to prepare for your examination in this mode only. That is a very important. Clear? So, algebra is a very simple. At the same time, there is a good logical reasoning will be there. When you adopt that reasoning, then it is very simple to, otherwise you may feel a little bit of difficult. The rest of the things is not so difficult. Okay. Now, I am going to the next one, I am moving to the next one. You know that very important, you have quadratic equations, okay, and sometimes there may be some graph will be given. I will discuss that question also. Graphical representation they may ask it is as they may ask it is. So, anyway, you have to learn one more very good. So, now I am taking a simple concept, maybe all of you are try to get answer. So, whether this is a mathematics class, so obviously you have pen and paper with you, and when I am giving the question you have to of course try to get the answer. Definitely you, when you try you will get the answer, do not get any demotivation, but very good problems. That is a reason I am going to discuss those things. Okay. Now, the equation is, of course, one more question, right? All of you write the question, that is the roots of a quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 are c and d. The roots of a quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 are c and d. The roots of another quadratic equation x square plus cx plus d equal to 0 are a and b. Then find the numerical value of a plus b plus c plus d. This is a question. X square plus ax plus b equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. It has two roots, say the roots are c and d. X square plus cx plus d equal to 0 are another quadratic equation, its roots are a and b. Then you have to find the numerical value of a plus b plus c plus d. Okay. Then how to do it? Very simple question. So, you know that A, just now I said ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If alpha beta are the roots, then what is its value? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now, I am going to use the same concept to get the answer, correct? Okay. X square plus ax plus b equal to 0, its roots are c and d. Then you can say sum c plus d is equal to minus a by b minus a by 1, or you can say a plus c plus d is equal to 0. Now, the second one, the product of the roots is equal to constant by x square coefficient, means c d is equal to b by 1. Okay. Now, coming to the next, I am taking x square plus ax plus d equal to 0. What is a plus b? A plus b is minus x coefficient by x square coefficient minus c by 1, or you can write as a plus b plus c equal to 0. And what are the product of the roots? A b is equal to d, correct? Here we got 4 relations. What are the 4 relations here? A plus c plus d equal to 0 is one relation, a plus b plus c equal to 0 another relation, c d equal to b third relation, a b equal to d is a fourth relation. I am going to use these four relations to get the numerical value of a, b, c, d. Okay. So, a plus c plus d equal to 0, its expression value is 0. Here a plus b plus c equal to 0, it is a one expression. Both are zeros, then you can equate it, am I correct? I am going to equate those. So, a plus c plus d is equal to a plus b plus c. Just I equated this. A get cancelled, c get cancelled. Then you come to a conclusion that d is equal to b. Good. When d is equal to b, I am going to use the result here. CD is equal to b. So, when d equal to b, when those are non-zeros numbers, then c will be equal to 1, d and b get cancelled. And the same time a b equal to d, so b equal to d means that these two get cancelled, a equal to 1. So, we got two values, a equal to 1 and c equal to 1, just substitute in it 1 and b does not know, c is equal to 1. So, b plus 2 equal to 0, then b is equal to minus 2, okay. And d equal to b no, so d is equal to minus 2. So, b equal to minus 2, d equal to minus 2. So, you know the values, a is 1, b is minus 2, c is 1 and d is minus 2. What is required? A plus c plus d is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 2. That is the answer. See the beauty of the algebra. So, by doing these mathematical problems, you can enjoy it also when you know the depths. Otherwise, you can't touch even single step. That is a difference between a competitive examination problems and a general problem. So, maybe you have some idea to how to do it. Okay. Shall we move to another problem? So, just observe one more problem, you have to observe one more. So, here I am taking again the very similar. So, the total question in algebraic format, but the answer is in the numerical format. So, that says YE into ME is equal to triple T. YE of ME equal to triple T, then find the value of y plus E plus M plus T. This is the question, where YE are 2-digit numbers, 2-digit number, ME is a 2-digit number, triple T is a 3-digit number. Then you have to find the value of y plus E plus M plus T. Okay. How to do it? This are most important. So, now I am taking with the triple T. Okay, when you consider triple T, so what is its possibilities? Triple T means maybe is 111 111, 222 222, 333 333, 444, 444, 555, 555 up to 999, 999, correct? Okay. So, what is 919? Can you write in any other format? You can write 9 into 111, 888, 8 into 111, 777, 7 into 111, 666, you can write 6 into 111, 555, you can write 5 into 111, then T you can write it as T into 111, correct? Now, I am using the same T you can write as T into 111. Now, I am taking the divisibility law of 3. So, what is the divisibility law of 3? If the sum of 3 digits of sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. So, here by just observation only it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So, means the sum is divisible by 3. So, obviously the number is divisible by 3. So, I am taking T as 111 is 3 of 37, 37 3s are 111. Okay, it is nothing but YE into MU. Okay. So, we have T into 3, the maximum possibility for T into 3 is 2 digit number, it will not more than 2 digit. So, minimum is 1 digit or T into 3 the maximum is 2 digit number, and the other one 37 we know the value. These two will be equal to Y of ME, means obviously one should be 37, other should be T of 3. So, for example, if you say ME is equal to 37, if you say ME equal to 37, then YE has two possibilities. What are the possibilities here? Are two properties, it will be equal to T into 3. So, it should be a multiple of 3, first one. Second, when you compare ME as 37, E will be 7. So, we have two properties for that YE. What are those? It should be a multiple of 3 and ended with 7, which is a 2 digit number. Now, take the possibilities of it, maybe 17, maybe 27, maybe 37, maybe 47, maybe 57, maybe 67 up to maybe 97. These are the possibilities, correct? So, when you consider these are the possibilities, we will check it one by one in like a trial and error method. So, now I am taking a 17, but 17 is not a multiple of 3. So, it is ruled out. Now, take the second one 27. When you take 27, you can say 27 is a multiple of 3 and 27 is ended with 7. So, we will check it first. So, if you say 27, so YE of ME means 27 of 37, which is 999. So, for the maximum possibility for T is 999. With respect to the availability of the possibilities, so 17, 27, 37, 47, 57 up to 97, 17 is ruled out. When you check with 27, you got the maximum value, means no need to check the rest of the values, correct. So, simply you can say Y is equal to 27 and ME equal to 37, then compare it. So, Y will be 2, M will be 3, E will be 7 and T will be 9. So, what is required? Y plus E plus M plus T, Y plus E plus M plus T, which is nothing but 2 by 3, 7, 9 means 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 9, 21. That is most important. Is it clear? So, that is a important concept. See the beauty. So, lot of reasonings. So, if you have a good logical reasoning, then only you are able to say the answer, otherwise it is difficult. Okay. Now, we will going to discuss the beautiful concept how the algebra is connected with the coordinate geometry. That is very important, we will check it. Actually, it was given in the, so very important concept, that is a coordination or connection, interconnection between algebra and coordinate geometry. There are some questions, because you know that in mathematics we introduced 5 academic standards. One is problem solving, second one is reasoning and proof, third one is mathematical communication, the fourth one is connections, and fifth one is representation and visualization. So, here the fourth is the mathematical connections. So, that is very important, inner and interconnections. So, here interconnections means this algebra is connected with the coordinate geometry. So, how it is? We gave the same information in the textbook of 10th class as pair of linear equations. Now, I am going to give that information to you, this which is very useful for your examination. That is, so you know that Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0 is called first degree linear equation, of course simply linear equation, okay, and it represents a straight line. Just you can see, so y equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin, y equal to mx plus c is a straight line making an intercept on y axis at the point 0 comma c, and ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a general equation for a straight line. Of course, as per the algebra, and we can say it is a linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, I am taking two equations, one is called a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and taking another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. I consider these two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. So, now I am comparing these two equations. Here I am comparing coefficients a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Now, I am taking all the possibilities here. The first one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, means the ratios of coefficients of x, y and constants are same. Then what will happen? So, I am taking a general example for this, that is okay. So, 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 10 equal to 0. Now, compare 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 5 by 10, correct? When you solve it, what is the number of solutions for it? When you solve it, there is no solution, clear? So, a1 by a2, b1 by 2, c1 by c2, if you take it as you give the x values, some x values, you will get some y values, means here we have infinite number of solutions, infinite number of solutions. And these two lines, of course, each one represent a straight line now. So, both the equations represent the same straight line or overlapped straight lines. When they are superimposed straight lines, then what is the number of point of intersections? The number of point of intersections is infinite, correct? The number of solutions are infinite. So, how relations say it? So, the number of solutions, the number of point of intersections, means both are same here. That is the reason this algebra is connected with the coordinate geometry. So, here with respect to algebra, these two equations are said to be dependent equations. Okay. And with respect to coordinate geometry, these two equations are said to be coincident lines. This is the most important, but when I observe the different schools of all over the state of the Telangana model schools, Telangana residential schools, Telangana social welfare residential schools, as an observer from the SART, when I visited all these schools. So, what I observed means that maximum teachers and maximum students also, they are saying coincident equations. Okay, there is no coincident equation, they are coincident lines and dependent equations. So, you have to give the clarity to that, that is a very important. Okay. Now, come to the next possibility, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. The ratio of coefficients of x and y are equal, but differ with the ratio of constants. Now, I am taking this one. So, 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y or 4x plus 3 6y plus 7 equal to 0, means 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6, which is not equal to 5 by 7. When you solve these two equations, there is no solution. Okay. What is the slope of the first line? Means minus 2 by 3, because the slope of a straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. So, minus 2 by 3. What is the slope of the second line? Minus 4 by 6, which is minus 2 by 3. Slope of the first equation, first line, and slope of the second line, both are same. When the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. When the lines are parallel, the number of point of intersections is 0. When there is no point of intersections and there is no solution, how they are related, I understand. So, these two equations represent two lines which are parallel to each other, and these two equations represents the equation which have no solutions. So, for this kind of equations are called it as inconsistent equations, and here the two lines are called it as parallel lines. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So, that is a very important, inconsistent equations and parallel lines. Now, the last possibility, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 or not equal to c1 by c2, means when you solve the two equations, finally you will get one solution, means unique solution. Hence, we call it as this one is a consistent equations. And here the two equations are said to be 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. When you solve this, you will get a unique solution. Of course, these two represent two different lines, maybe the interlines will be like intersecting lines. This is called intersecting lines. Here the lines will be like parallel, here the lines will be like coincidence of the same line imposed on this. Now, is it clear? This is a very important statement here. When a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then the equations are said to be dependent equations and the lines are said to be coincident lines, and they have infinite solutions, infinite number of point of intersection. When a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2, then the equations are called as inconsistent equations and the lines are said to be parallel lines. They have no solutions, no point of intersections. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2, then the equations are said to be consistent equations, and of course, the lines represents intersecting lines, and the number of point of intersections is 1 and the number of solutions is 1, which is unique. Is it clear? In this manner you can identify that, okay, so when the lines are intersected lines, when the lines are parallel lines, and when the lines are dependent, of course coincident, overlap to each other, are superimposed to each other. Same manner, when the equations are having infinite solutions, when the equations have no solutions, and when the equations have finite solutions. So, this is the way the lines, of course, algebra is concerned with the coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry is concerned with the, so that is a coordination of this. Like algebra is connected with so many branches of mathematics like trigonometry, geometry and data interpretation like 𝗹𝗶 chapter. So, we are going to discuss some other questions with the concepts and algebra in the next class. So, so that is the reason. So, I gave some beautiful questions, I gave some very beautiful questions to you. Maybe it is a good collection, and all questions are not available in the present market books. So, I collected very beautiful questions to you. Maybe you can prepare some other questions also. Finally, you will get a good concept in the algebra. So, anyway, so thank you for listening and try to get a good marks in the algebra area. Algebra is a very simple. Thank you for listening. Namaste.